9,205 feet.
Told you, we're almost at 10,000.
9,000.
Tell them right here. Look in the camera when you're telling them.
I don't know. 9,185 feet is our elevation right now.
$91.90. Look at this little creek up here. We're all alone up here. You're lucky we're wearing clothes. Whoop, did I say that out loud? But anyways, here's a little snow for you. We're hiking into the snow. You see? Watch Mama hike through the snow. Ready?
In shorts.
In shorts.
Lazy dude.
Look.
It's hot.
You saw it here
There's
first.
snow on the ground.